Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF in Photoshop. So firstly open up your Photoshop, then just open the file that you want to animate and make a GIF. After selecting the file, just press open. So as you can see now, my scene has been imported into Photoshop, and now what you have to do is just simply click on the element and duplicate the element which you want to animate. For me it's the balloon, so I will just simply click on the element and then press Ctrl J. So to change the name, just simply double click on the name and then enter the new name. You can do the same for all of the images that you duplicated. So after naming all the elements, just simply go to Windows, then click on Timeline, and now a new portion will open down here, and then what you have to do is just simply click on the drop box, then click on Create Frame Animation, then just simply click on Create Frame Animation, and now just simply click on the three lines over here and click on Make Frames from Layers, and now over here you can animate your scene. So here are some features which may help you in animating your scene. So the first is the loop option, in which you can keep the loop for once or 3 times or forever, or if you want something more, just click on others. Then you can enter the number of times you want to make the scene loop, and the 3 arrows over here are for play, reverse and forward. The twins animation is for creating an effect or playing with the frames. Plus icon is for creating a new frame, and the bin icon is for deleting a frame. And below every frame you will see a seconds column. Just simply click on that, and then you can choose the number of seconds that the frame should stay on the screen. So now let me create an animation and let me show you how it's done. So in the first frame the balloon will be right over here. So in the second frame the balloon will be right over here, and so on so forth. And now I've made changes in all the frames. Now let's see what happens if we play. So as you can see now, the animation has started, but it's not looking that good. So what are we gonna do is now add some seconds and delays. Meaning for the first frame, I want this to stay for 0.5 seconds. Then in the second frame for 0.2 seconds. Then again 0.2 seconds. Then 0.5 seconds, and then the last frame again 0.5 seconds. So now let's see what happens if we play. So as you can see now, the animation is now much slower and has few delays. So this is it for the animation. So to change the loop cycle, just simply click on over here on forever and make it 3 times. So it will now loop only for 3 times. So as you can see now, it stopped after the 3rd time. But for me, I will just simply keep it at forever. And now let's just simply save this GIF. So to save the GIF, what you have to do is just go to File, then go to Export, just simply hover on it, then just simply click on Save for Web Legacy. So when you reach at the saving panel, if the image or the GIF is too big on your screen, just simply click on the minus icon down here to make it short. And now what you have to do is just simply click Save. Then choose a location, enter a name, then just simply save it. Now if you go back to the place where you saved the GIF, you will find that the GIF has been saved. And if you play that, here is the GIF. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.